Want to check Mama? Okay, let's check Mama. Good boy for bringing me the kid. Thank you. Let's check Mama. Checking my blood sugar. See what it is. Brings me that blood sugar whenever I need to check. Let's see what it is. Ooh, that's not a good blood sugar. What is it? High or low? High. Thank you, buddy. Thank you. Good boy.